Chapter 1 Integers Exercise 1.3 Question number 1. Find each of the following products. Okay, let us find the products. 3 into minus 1. So a positive number into a negative number. So the product will be negative. So it will be minus 3. Now minus 1 into 225. Again negative into positive. It is negative. So minus 225. Now minus 21 into minus 30 means negative into negative. That means it is positive. So the answer is 630. Minus 316 into minus 1, negative into negative is positive 316. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So when 0 is one of the term, definitely it will become 0. So answer 0. Minus 12 into minus 11 into minus 10. Here 3 numbers are there and 3 of them are negative. If number of negative integers is a odd number of negative integer is an odd number, then the product will be negative, and the number of negative integer is an even number, then it will be positive. So here 3 negative integers are there and 3 is an odd number. So the answer, the product will be negative. So we can multiply here 12 into 11, 132, minus into minus plus, that into again minus 10. So answer will be minus 1320. Now here 3 numbers are there, but 2 of them are negative. That means the number of negative integers is an even number, 2. So the product will be positive. So 9 into minus 3, minus 27. Minus 27 into minus 6 is minus into minus plus 162. Now minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. So here it will be more easy to multiply 5 and 4 first than 18 and 5. So use the associated property there. So minus 5 into 4 is minus into minus plus 20. 20 into minus 8. So plus into negative. So answer is negative 360. Now here minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. All are negative. Total 4 negative integers are there. 4 is an even number. So the answer is positive. It is 24. And the last one, here also there are 4 integers are there, and all 4 integers are negative. So again even number of negative integers are there. So the answer is again positive. So it will be 36. Now let us move on to question number 2. Verify the following. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So here, which property is this? Yes, it is distributive property. That is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So what is A here? A is 18, B is 7, C is minus 3. So let us prove it. So first let us prove the LHS. LHS means left hand side. That is 18 into 7 plus minus 3. It is equal to what is 7 plus minus 3? A positive number and a negative number you are adding. So you need to find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number. So here the difference between 7 and 3 is 4. And since 7 is the bigger number and the sign of 7 is positive, 7 plus minus 3 will be positive. That is 4. So 18 into 4, which is equal to 72. Now let us see what we will get when we simplify right hand side. RHS. 18 into 7. What is 18 into 7? Both are positive, so simply multiply 126. 18 into minus 3, that will be minus 54. and again you are adding a positive integer and a negative integer. So you need to find the difference between them and have to put the sign of the bigger number. So the difference is 72 and bigger number 126, which is positive. So the answer is positive. That means LHS and RHS are same, equal. Thus it is proved, verified. Second one, the same way here, A, B, C all are negative here. Okay. Now let us first find the LHS. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 4 plus minus 6. You are adding two negative integers. When you are adding same sign of numbers, two numbers you are adding. So you just have to add it. Here both are negative. So the answer will be negative. So minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus 10. So minus 21 into minus 10. So negative into negative. Negative into negative is positive. So answer is 210. Now let us see what we will get RHS. So minus 21 to minus 4, negative into negative, it will be positive. Again minus 21 into minus 6, again negative into negative, positive we will get. So 21 into 4, 84, 21 into 6, 126. When you add them, you will get 210. Thus LHS equal to RHS, verified. Now question number 3. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? If you multiply any integer with a minus 1, what will happen? You will get the same integer with the negative sign. So minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. Now determine the integer whose product with the minus 1 is minus 22. That means minus 1 into a is equal to minus 22. Let us consider the integer as a. So which number we have to multiply? It is since it is 1 into the same number. So 22. But negative or positive, that we have to find out. Since the answer is negative and here it is negative 1, so we have to multiply with the positive 22. Then only negative into positive, negative will come. So what we have to multiply? It is negative 22. Now to get 37, minus 1 into, again, a equal to 37. Here the product is positive. So minus 1 into another minus should come. Minus into minus is positive. So it should be negative 37. And to get 0, yes, of course, 0 only. So 0. Next, move on to question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So let us start with the minus 1 into 5. What is minus 1 into 5? Minus 5, because negative into positive, negative. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Then next one, minus 1 into minus 1. So we are multiplying with the numbers in descending order. You see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then negative. So minus 1 into minus 1, what happened? The answer became positive. That means minus into plus is minus, whereas minus into minus is equal to plus. Now question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. So first one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So here minus 48 is common in both the terms. 26 into minus 48 is one term. Minus 48 into minus 36 is another term. So here we have to use distributive property. It is of the format a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. So here A is minus 48, B is 26, C is minus 36. So it will be minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36. What is 26 plus minus 36? You need to find the difference, that is 10, and here 36 is the bigger number and the sign is negative. So the answer will be minus 10. So minus 48 into minus 10 is equal to 480. Positive answer. Now question B. 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here it is multiplication. So we know we can multiply any three numbers in any order as per the associative property. So first we have to do is look into the numbers and which two numbers when you multiply you will get multiple of 10. That we have to observe and find out first. And that has to multiply first. So here 8 into minus 125. 8 into 125 is how much? It is 1000. So 8 into minus 125 we will write first. The reordering is the important thing you have to note here. This step is very important because how you are rearranging. You have to show that you have rearranged the numbers using associative property. Then it is minus 1000 into 53 is equal to minus 53,000. Now question number C. 15 into minus 25 plus minus 4 into minus 10. Here also look into the numbers. Is there any two numbers when you multiply you will get 10 or 100 or 1000 like that? Yes. 25 minus 25 into minus 4. 25 into 4 is 100. So minus 25 into minus 4 also 100. Then that should we multiply first, then 15 and minus 10. So let us rewrite it. So minus 25 into minus 4, one term in a bracket, into 15 into minus 10. That means 100 into 15 into minus 10, positive into negative, minus 150. So again positive into negative, so the answer is negative. So it is minus 15,000. Now question D. Minus 41 into 102. So here we need to split one of the numbers which is nearer to 10 or 100, that we will split. So here 102 is nearer to 100. We can split and write it as minus 14 into 100 plus 2. Now this is of the format A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, is it? So minus 14 into 100 plus minus 14 into 2. So minus 14 into 100, negative into positive, negative, minus 4100 plus minus 41 into 2, again negative into positive, negative, minus 82. So minus 4100 plus minus 82, both are negative. So you just have to add and put the negative sign. So negative 4182. Next one. 625 into negative 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So here 65 if you are taken as common, here it is negative. Suppose if you take negative 625 as common, then here it is positive. So what to do? So you can do it in two ways. Either you exchange this minus sign with 35 to this 625. So this both the 625 will become negative. Or you give this negative sign of 625 to this minus 65 so that both 625 will become positive. Any way you can do. So here I am giving the negative sign to minus 625. So this has become minus 625 into 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So minus 625 is common in both. So This is A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. So minus 625 into 35 plus 65. 35 plus 65 is 100. So minus 625 into 100, which is equal to negative 62,500. Next one, 7 into 50 minus 2. So A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So 7 into 50 into minus 7 into 2. So 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2, that means 350 minus 40. So 336. Next one. Minus 17 into minus 29. So here you may think that 29, so 20 plus 9 like that. No, that is not the wise way to do that. Here, first of all, both are negative. So either you can cancel that negative and 17 into 29 and then split one of the number 10 plus 7 you can put, or 29, how can we write? 30 minus 1 or minus 29. So it is very, very nearer to minus 30, is it? Very, very near. 30 is a multiple of 10. So I will rewrite this as minus 17 into minus 30 plus 1. Okay. So now use the distributive property. So minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. And what is minus 17 into minus 30? Negative into negative, positive. 17 into 3, how much? 51. So it is positive, negative into negative, positive. So 510 plus negative 17 into 1, negative into positive, negative 17. Now 510 minus 17. How can you subtract easily? If you subtract 10, you will get 500. From that 500, you have to subtract 7. So what you will get? 493. And the last one, minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. That's all. So here 57 into number is not there. So let us substitute it with a into 1. Now here negative 57, there it is positive 57. So what we can do? We can make that 1 negative. So 57 into 19 plus 57 into 1, because here negative 57, negative 19. So the product will be positive, no? Negative into negative, positive will come. So what I did is this negative sign of this minus 57, this negative I gave to this 19. So 19 already a negative. So when this negative, when we multiply, it will become 90. That is fine. So equal to 57 into 19 plus 1, that is 57 into 20, which is equal to 1140. Now let us move on to next question. I think then it is a word problem. We can discuss that in the next video. Thank you.